everyone, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. I don't be doing a lot of videos, but I'm trying to get into it, so I'll be posting a lot more videos of some unboxings because I be getting a lot of packages. Sometimes I'll be ordering myself, and I will be doing poetry pretty soon. That's what my channel is going to be majority about, is poetry, and you know, a few more things on the sides. Probably show my kids and some, but we'll see. But the unboxing I'm doing today is about Maelys Cosmetics. The cream that's supposed to help your breasts get perkier, your booty lifted, firmer, get rid of stretch marks on your stomach, the B-flat cream, and I got the under eye bag, you know, for your bags and everything. So, this is the package it came in, this box. I ordered it on June the 30th and it came 3 days later, super fast. I ordered a kit, which is a little bit over $100, but I caught the 15% sale because of 4th of July. So I got that. So let me show you what it looks like. This is the Mind Your Body Miracle Instant Solution for Under Eye Bags. That's what it looked like. This is the tube. It says Mind Your Body on the back. It's pretty cute. Haven't used this yet, but I have tried the other products. But I wanted y'all to see how it looked in the box and everything. How it came. It pretty much came like this in the box. This how it came in the box. So you saw the under eye cream. This is the B-flat cream for your stomach. You get rid of them stretch marks. It smells pretty good, so I like the way the products smell. When you open it, it has a little quote that you can say from it. This one says, "The best part of beauty is that which no picture can express. Francis Bacon." So this is for your stretch marks on your stomach. This is for your stomach, the B-flat cream. This is the B-tight lift and firm mask for your booty. What that looks like. It's in like a little glass jar container. It has a little quote right here at the bottom. "Life is short, break the rules. Mark Twain." Let's see what this looks like. This is what it looked like. Like I said, I have already tried some. I wanted y'all to see it fully. See? That's what it looked like. And it smelled pretty good. This is the Be Perky for your breasts. Because I had 3 kids, breastfed all 3 of them. I need my babies to be lifted back up. That's what the jar looks like. It has a little quote on the inside, but I have to move it around. That's what that looks like. And this smells pretty good too. All the creams smell pretty good. They are in glass containers, except the squeeze bottle. I can't really see this quote because it's covered up. So I'm trying to move it around so I can read it. It says the same thing as the B Perky says, "Life is too short, break the rules. Mark Twain." So that's how all the products look. So let me give you a little, tell you a little bit what's going on. So I have put it on my stomach, put it on my stomach area, my breast, like I said, my booty. I don't read the directions. After each use of each type of cream, you have to wash your hands completely, thoroughly, okay? The B flat on your stomach and the booty mass is going to have an intense burning sensation, okay? Don't be surprised. You're going to feel the burn, because I'm feeling the burn. And it says not to wash it off, of course, because that's, I guess, the product's working. But it's pretty hot. I feel it. It's heat, baby, okay? You know how a heat pad feel? That's exactly how I'm feeling on my butt and my stomach right now. Heat, honey. Okay? But I'm going to give a review once a week about how is the product's working. Is my breast getting perkier? My stretch marks going away? My booty getting lifted, firmer, or whatever? But whatever's going on, I will let y'all know. So if you have any questions, please leave comments. Please like and subscribe, like I said. You can follow me on IG. And I have Snapchat. I don't really do Facebook like that, so I'm not going to put any Facebook information up there. I believe it is on my page, but I really don't get up there like that. So, y'all have a great day, and just know that God is good all the time. Bye.